I'm Jared, and this is the sledding show. Right now, I'm about to pull Allegra down this small but fun hill. Stay tuned. Alright, Allegra. You ready? Yeah! Run! Accident! Accidents happen. Sometimes you fall off and stuff. We're starting again. My name's Allegra, by the way. Did you already tell me that? Now you told me that. Allegra, you're going to have to get it off. That's that! Oh, it's cold. Well, you probably shouldn't do that. According to the famous calculation, we're going to have to start again. Sorry! Delete that! Yeah, forget all that just happened. Now, think about what's going to happen now. Yeah! We're going to run. Alright, let's go. Come on. Alright! The leg under is pulling the sled. Ready? Oh yeah! Let's go! That fun? Stay tuned for the Snowball Show, next episode.